There I was, an empty piece of a shell, minding my own world without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, you brought me out of a shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You give me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence.